Hi, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video, we're going to see that how we can create a contact form in HTML. So first, I'm writing HTML5. So this will give me the structure, and then I'm going to give the title. So I'll be writing HTML contact form, right? And then within the body, I'm going to give one heading, right? And the heading will be HTML, or I'll be writing welcome to the contact form, and then I'll write one HR tag over here, and then after that I'll going to write form. Okay, and then within the form I'll going to write a label, and here I'm giving the name. Then after the label I'm going to write input, and then I'll be writing name, that is name, and ID I'll also give as name, and then one placeholder I need to give. So I'll be writing enter your name, and then I'm going to simply copy paste this 3 to 4 times, right? Okay, and then here I'll be writing email, and text I'll be writing since and this will also be email, and type will be email. This time type will not be the text, and name will be email, and ID will be email, right? And here I'm going to write enter your email. Now here I'll give contact number, right? And here I'll write contact number, and within type I'm going to write phone, right? You can see that number, sorry. Okay, within type I'll be writing number, and then name will be this contact, and ID will be contact, right? And here I'm going to write enter your contact number, and then here I'm going to write one message, and just a second. So here I'll write message, and this will be the text, the name will be now message, and ID will be message, and in the placeholder I'm going to write enter your message. Now after that I need one button, right? So I'll write button, and here the type will be submit, right? And here I'm writing submit. Okay, now I'll come back to my UI now and refresh this. So you can see that our HTML form has came on our UI, right? But it is coming in an horizontal way, right? If we need to like suppose we need this email in the next line, and then after that we'll need contact. So what we are going to do, we'll be writing br tag right over here. So here I am writing br tag and one more br tag, two br tags I am using over here. Then here also I am writing br, just a second. Okay, Yeah, and here also I'm writing. Yeah, okay, fine. So now let's check our UI. So now here you can see that our form has been created successfully, right? And it is showing on our UI. So now we'll check the working of this contact form. So in the name I'll be writing course by Sid, and in the email I'll write cbs@test.com, and in the contact number I'll be writing 1234567890. Okay, this random number, and in the message I'm going to write hello, and then I'm going to click on this submit button, right? So you can see that it is taking the data, and after taking the data it is also resetting the data, right? So okay, thank you. That's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video with some new topic. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel. Okay, thank you.